welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am on this construction site guys, you can see, which is about 12,000 square feet. Okay, this is commercial building. Now we are working on the ground floor. So here you can see guys, this is simply supported beam. This is one column and that is other column. The span between two column is about 12 feet. Okay, you can see guys, the size of the beam is here 12 inches by 22 inches. Guys, you can see the width is 12 inches. This is its width, which is 12 inches, and the depth is 22 inches with concrete cover. This is without concrete cover, so therefore the ring size is 9 inches by 19 inches. With concrete cover it will be 12 by 22 inches. Guys, you can see clearly. If you see here guys, we have 4 bars at the bottom. Dia is 20 millimeter. You can see this is 20 millimeter diameter for 4 longitudinal bars, which is in tension zone. 3 bars we have at top portion. Dia is 20 millimeter. You can see clearly. So we have 7 steel rods. Guys, you can see. Next, if you see guys, the stirrups. So the dia is 10 millimeter. You can see this is 10 millimeter with the spacing of 7 inches. Look here guys, the first stirrup is placed at the distance of 6 inches. The other one is 7 inches. So they provided the stirrups at the same spacing, which is 7 inches. So guys, you can see this is one of the big mistake in this floor beam construction. That's why, because at the distance of L by 4 the spacing should be closely. After L by 4 you can extend the spacing of stirrups. Next guys, you can see the second big mistake. You can see the hooks are bent on 90 degree. It should be provided on 135 degree. Guys, you can see this is also the second big mistake. Next guys, you can see here they didn't provide any extra steel rods, which is very important to resist negative bending moment. At the distance of L by 4 they provided 4 bars at the bottom, 3 at the top, but we don't have any extra steel rod. Guys, you can see, look here. Next, which is a huge big mistake, that is lapping length. Guys, you can see they provided lapping at the distance of L by 2. L by 2 means guys, you can see this is 12 feet span. So this is one column, that is other column. The span between two column is 12 feet at the distance of L by 2. It means span divided by 2. So this is 6 feet. So look here guys, they provided lapping at the distance of L by 2, where we have positive bending moment. Here we have more chances of cracks, more chances of deflection. So this is not the place to provide lapping, but they provided. So this is one of the big mistake if you are working on construction site. So the lapping is not allowed at the distance of L by 2. Okay, but the lapping is allowed at the distance of L by 2, but not in tension zone. They already provided in tension, but it is allowed in compression zone. Okay, if you required, so you can provide at upper portion, but not at the bottom of this beam. Guys, you can see. Next guys, you can see the first stirrup is placed at the distance of 6 inches. It should be provided minimum with 2 inches. Guys, you can see this is the other big mistake. You can see this is the column size, you can see, which is 12 by 12 inches, and here we have 8 numbers of bars. Dia is 20 millimeter. You can see guys. Next guys, if you see the spacing is also wrong. This is not okay. They didn't provide any extra steel rods at the end of the beam. Guys, you can see they didn't provide any development length, which is very important to provide development length to make a good bond between steel and concrete. Guys, you can see. So this is a short video, but very important for you people to know about the steel structure design, because this is 4-story commercial building. So therefore if you are working on construction site, so remember these technical terms which I am discussing in this video. Next guys, you can see the span between these two columns is 16 feet. This is one column and that is other column. This is 16 feet span. We have 3 bars at the bottom and 3 at the top. Guys, you can see same design, but at the bottom you should provide maximum numbers compared to its upper portion, but they provided same. Dia is 20 millimeter. Next guys, you can see they provided lapping here at the top portion. It's okay, as we discussed before. At top portion, which is compression zone, you can provide the extra steel rods. Sorry, not extra steel rods, the lapping length, but at the bottom portion you are not allowed. Already they did the lapping here at this place. So this is one of the big mistake, guys, you can see. Okay, they are opposite of each other. Look here. So here guys, we have 5 numbers of steel rods, which is starting from the center of this column, about center of this column, which is specially provided for the you can see guys, for cantilever beam, which length is 8 feet. Guys, you can see We have 4 bars at the top portion, 3 at the bottom portion. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.